Welcome to ColdBlue Collectables. This time we got ourselves a bit of a hanger pack. Donruss soccer. Let's open some soccer cards. I'm open some football cards. Excuse me. Alright, so gathering I wanted league cards, not international. Oh well, should pay more attention. Ren, Griezmann, Atletico, but that one's France. Each and what? Oh, I'm not even going to try. Kingsley Coleman. Alvarez, rookie. Wasn't he that fella that scored? And Fernand, two Argentinian rookies. Pretty sure he scored in the World Cup final. And then there's Suchek, Garcia, Tadic. Sorry, losing my way in the camera to De Bruyne. Nice. Grimaldo, Benfica. Go away. Vlahovic, Valverde. And what we got here? We've got an Optic. Was it a rated rookie? Yeah. Whoa. Alex and Tropolis. That's a doozy. Look at the bottom of that card. It's just. That's why I don't really like chrome that much. Not bad. Diego Costa. Whoa. Diego Costa rookie. Nice. That looks sick. That's really cool. Who we got next? Oh, Anthony, I think. And Marvels. That's going in my PC. Yeah, that's sick. That is sick. Glorious. Husband, Tarim. I think I bought one of these cards on eBay just because I thought it looked cool. 18-yard box in the back of it. Alright, so I'm assuming that's it. August, rated rookie. Malaysia. I think he just left. Right. Okay. Nice. Messi, Optic, Varela, Mario. Alright. Multiple hits in that one. I'm trying to remember where I got the hanger box for. Might have to ask for it for Christmas. Not going to go through the sleeves, way too many hits. But he'll be my clickbait. Really, Rio, Alessio, August, Dream, Loris. But look, like seriously, such a nice card. Love the marbles. We'll go through these later and see if there's any numbered. Rooney, Colin Varane. Alright, this is why I prefer to open football cards, because I know these people and it's more exciting. Alright, there we go. Very enjoyable packet. I'll change it up next, and until next time, enjoy.